In today's class, we'll start exercise 5.2. So, as we studied in 5.1, that AP, that is how to form AP and what is A term and what is D, what is AN. Here we will know how to find A, D, AN, and N. So, in question number 1, we'll see here that what is given. A is equals to 7, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 8. So we'll need to find An. So An is equals to, we know that A plus N minus 1 into D. So here we will put the value that An is equals to A is 7 plus N is 8, 8 minus 1 into D is 3. That implies An is equals to 7 plus 7 times 3. So 7 plus 21 is equals to 28. So An is equals to 28 here. Okay. Now, in the same way, we'll find 2. So this is 1 and let's do 2. This is second. Okay. In second, what is given? A is given, which is minus 18, and D is question mark. Then what is given? N is equal to 10 and An is equals to 0. Let's do the same formula. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So An is 0, A is negative 18 plus N is 10 minus 1 times D. So 0 plus 18 is equals to 90. So 18 over 9 equals to D, which is D is 2. So in this way we can solve all all five of them. So let's do third, in which we need to find A. Okay, which is, this exercise is very easy and very important also as like exam point of view, but this is very easy. Like you can say AP is very easy. So let's start question number 3. So 3 is A is not given, D is negative 3, N is equals to 18 and An is equals to 3.6. An is equals to 3.6, right? So this is question mark. Okay, this is question mark. So An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 3.6. A plus N is what? 18. 18 minus 1 is 17 and D is negative 3. So 3.6 minus 9 minus, no, what, I copied the wrong one. N is equals to, no. So let's do question number 3. In question number 3, A is not given, D is negative 3, N is equals to 18 and An is equals to negative 5. We'll put the formula An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So An is negative 5 is equals to A plus N. N is 18, 18 minus 1 is 17 times D is negative 3. So negative 5, okay, is equals to A plus minus, this one is 17 into 3 is minus 51. So minus 5 plus 51 is equals to A. So now you can say that you will get the value of A. So how can you say The value of A is, can you tell me? So 51 minus 5 is 46. Okay, now 30th term of AP. Okay, AP is given. So this one, in question number 1, we will see that 30th term means A30 is question mark. Okay, AP, A is equals to 10, D is equals to 7 minus 10 equals to negative 3, and A30, you know, A30 is equals to A plus 29D. So A30 is equals to, the value of A is 10 plus 29 into D is negative 3. So according to this one is A30 is equals to 10 minus 87 is equals to negative 77. So C is your answer here. In second part, 11th term of an AP, where AP is given, what is given? AP is given minus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 and 2 and so on, so right. So what is A? A is negative 3. What is D? D is minus 1 by 2. D का फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, D is equals to A2 minus A1. We discussed in first class when we started AP, that is A2 minus A1, which gives negative 1 by 2 and minus minus plus 3. So it gives 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1, that is 5 over 2. So D ka value is 5 over 2. Now A11, A11 is equals to A plus 10D. Okay, आप फॉर्मूला भी लिखना, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. I am not repeating the formula in every question, but you need to write the formula in every question. Either you are finding A, D, AN or N. Okay, so A11 is equals to, the value of A is negative 3 plus 10 times D is 5 by 2, that is negative 3 plus 25 is equals to 22. So A11 is 22. Okay, now next question. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा let's understand कि when the gap is giving, like if it is this kind of question, this is gap and this is 13, this is gap and this is 3. What does it means? It means that this is A1, A2, A3, A4. It means that A2 is 13. A2 is 13 means A plus D is equals to 13, and A4 is equals to 3 means A plus 3D equals to 3. So from first and second we'll see कि A plus D equals to 13 and A plus 3D equals to 3. Now let's subtract them. This is negative, this one is negative, negative. So this is cancelled. So D minus 3D is negative 2D equals to 10 and D equals to negative 5. D equals to negative 5. When we know the value of D, let's put here A plus 3 times negative 5 equals to 3. So A minus 15 equals to 3. So A is equals to 3 plus 15. So A is equals to 18. Now you have A. So A1 is A. So this one is 18. You will see A1 is A is equals to 18. Now we need to find A3. So A3 is equals to A plus 2D, which is 18 plus 2 into negative 5, that is 18 minus 10 equals to 8. So this one is 8 and this one is 18. Now you can see the difference. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So this is the plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Clear? So in the format of the fill in the blanks, you can do in this one also. एक और कर लेते हैं. Let's see this one. Fourth. So in fourth, what is given? A is given -4, and this is A2, A3, A4, A5, and this one is A6. So A6 is equals to 6. Now A6 is A plus 5D is equals to 6. A is -4 plus 5D equals to 6. So 5D is equals to 6 plus 4. So 5D equals to 10. Right? So D equals to 2. D equals to 2. When D equals 2, put the value here. A plus 5D. No, A is here. A तो है हमारे पास. So now when we have A, then we can easily put here that A2. What? A2. So A2 is equals to A plus D, which is -4 plus 2, that is -2. Then A3, A plus 2D. So A is -4 plus 2 times 2. Okay. So this is -4, +4 equal to 0. A4, A4 equals to A plus 3D, which is A is -4 plus 3 times 2. So this is 6 minus 4 is 2. A4 is 2. And A5 is A plus 4D, which one? A is equals to what? A is equals to -4 plus 4 times 2. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So A5 is 4. Means here you will see AP is -4, A2 is 2, A3 is 0, A4 is 2, A5 is 4. So now see, this is -2, -2, -2, and -2. This is -2. So -2, -2, -2, -2. Correct? Now I hope you understand. Now this is which term of an AP? AP is given. What is given? AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18. Okay, this is AP. Which term of an AP is 78? Term. Which term means AN? So AN is 78. Now put the formula. Which term means N ka value you need to find out. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is 78 is equals to A is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 8 minus 3, which is 5. Okay. So I told you earlier that don't open the bracket here. When you will open the bracket here, so you guys are very smart. When you will get negative here, then while opening the bracket, you will not change the sign. I know very much. So like Parisa and Abhiraj, so I know you will not change the sign here. That's why I'm keeping you guys in mind. I'm saying just do it. 78 minus 3 over 5 is equals to N minus 1. So 78 minus 3 will be 75 over 5. That will be 25 plus 1 equals to N. So N is equals to 26. I hope you guys enjoying AP. Now, yes, find the number of terms. So first question, let's do 7, 13, 19, that one is 205. Here dot के बाद जो आता है ना, this one is AN. A is equals to 7, D is equals to 13 minus 7 is 6, and AN is equals to 205. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स का मतलब हो गया n. ओके, so putting the formula an, a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 205 is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 6. So 205 minus 7 over 6 is equals to n minus 1. So this will be 205 minus 5, 200 minus 198. So 198 over 6 plus 1 equals to n, that is 33 plus 1 equals to 34. So 34th term आ गया. Okay, question number 2, इसको भी कर लेते हैं. So AP is 18 comma 15 and a half comma 13 comma dot 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 is negative 47. So A is 18, B is, see, 15 and a half minus 18 is 2 and a half, which is 5 by 2, and AN is equals to negative 47. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is negative 47 is equals to A is 18 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 5 by 2. So negative 47, negative 18, this is multiplied by 2 by 5 is equals to n minus 1. Okay, I hope you understand here what I did. So this one is negative 65 times 2 over 5 is equals to n minus 1. Okay, so this one is, and this one is negative 5 by 2, right? So negative 5 by 2 में minus minus cancel, and this is 13, 13 to the 26. So 26 plus 1 equals to n, that is 27, 27th term. Clear? Now question number 6, check whether, yes, when you are checking that is this is a term of AP, तो AP का term होने के लिए you need to find that n belongs to a natural number. N belongs to a natural number. It means that n does not belongs to any fraction or decimal number. Okay, now an is equals to, so let's see, is it a like term of an AP or not? So negative 150, A is equals to 11, D is equals to negative 3. So an is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So negative 150 is equals to 11 plus n minus 1 into D का value is negative 3. So negative 150 negative 11 over negative 3 equals to n minus 1. So minus 161 over minus 3, negative negative positive equals to n minus 1. It means that 163 को 3 से divide करो, 3 5 जा 15, 1 3 4 जा 12, so 3 3 जा 9. So this does not belongs to natural number, therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP, not a term of given AP. Now question number 7, what it says, find 31st term of AP whose 11th term. Acha, this type of question always comes in your paper. Okay, 31st term you need to find out, means A31 is equals to question mark bada wala. Okay, now 11th term is 38, means A11 equals to 38, right? So A11 is 38 means A plus 10D is equals to 38. Okay, and 16th term is 73. A16 equals to 73, which means that A plus 15D equals to 73. Now this is minus, cancel. This one is positive, negative हो गया. This is negative, so negative 5D equals to, this will be negative 35. So D equals to 7. Any problem? No. So D is 7. Now putting the value of D here, you will get क्या कि A plus 10D equals to 38, and A plus 10 times 7 equals to 38. So A is equals to 38 minus 70. So A is equals to negative 30. So A31 is equals to A plus 30D, and the value of A is negative 32 plus 30 times 7 is equals to negative 32 plus 210. 210. So 200 minus 30 will be 180, and this will be तो 178. नो, कितना हुआ माइनस करके बताओ कितना हुआ. 178. Rakesh Gupta is saying. Okay. Now, an AP consists of 50 terms in which third term is 12. Means A3 is equals to 12. And last term is 106. And how many terms are there? 50 terms. It means that A50 is equals to 106. Now, what is given? A plus 2D is equals to 12, and A plus 49D is equals to 106. Now, let's subtract. Okay. So minus, this plus is minus, minus. So this is cancel. So minus 47D is equals to minus कितना 98. 98 कितना हुआ 94. Okay. So D is equals to minus 94 over 47, that is 2. D का value 2 आ गया. Now D का value is 2, so find the 29th term. So पहले D का value यहाँ put करो, you will get A plus 2D equals to 12, and A plus 2 times 2 equals to 12. So A plus 4 equals to 12. So A equals to 8 आ गया. Clear? Now A29. A29th is A plus 28D, right? A plus 28D. So what we will get? A is 8 plus 28 times D is 2. So 8 plus 28 to the 56. So 64 is your answer, A29. Let's do question number 9. Third and ninth term, same type of question, and but very important question. Okay. So third and ninth term of an AP is, third term means A3 equals to 4, and A9 is equals to negative 8. That is A plus 2D equals to 4, and A plus 8D equals to negative 8. So अब now you can say कि एक लाइन बना लेते हैं. मैं भी थोड़ा प्रोफेशनल की तरह थोड़ा बहुत लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. आई एम नॉट प्रोफेशनल ऑन यूट्यूब. आई जस्ट started to help the like government school students or poor students who can't afford tuition. So as you know in my introduction class, so this one is cancelled. This one is cancelled. Now what we will get? This one negative 6D is equals to 12. So D equals to negative. यहाँ तक clear है? Okay. So when D is equals to negative 2, then a plus 2d is equals to 4 and a plus 2 into negative 2 equals to 4. So a minus 4 equals to 4. So a का वैल्यू 8 होगा. अब हमें क्या चाहिए? कह रहा है which term is 0 means an का वैल्यू is 0 means a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 0. Putting the value of a and d, we will get n. A is 8 plus n minus 1 into d is negative 2 equal to 0. So 8 minus 2n plus 2 is equals to 0. So 10 is equals to 2n, that implies n equals to 5. So fifth term is 0. Clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. फटाफट देखो और समझो. 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term. Very important question. Okay. 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Means the difference of a 17 and 10 is 7. That is a plus 16d minus start bracket a plus 9d is equals to 7. Advay, I know you never put bracket after negative. So when there is negative, start bracket after negative. Anywhere, okay, where there is negative, start bracket after that. So this one is a plus 16d minus a minus 9d is equals to 7. Okay, so you can see here this a minus a cancel. Now so 16d minus 9d is 7d. 7d equals to 7 and d equals to 1. D equals to 1. So common difference is 1. ठीक है, common difference is, therefore you can write here. पेपर में आपको ये भी लिखना पड़ेगा, therefore common difference is 1. ठीक है, फाइनल आंसर को जरूर लिखा करो. नाउ which term yeah, this is very important sum again. So AP is given what? 3 comma 15 comma 27 comma 39. Okay, अब कह रहा है which term is 132 more than its 54th term. Means an is hidden here, which is an is equals to 132 more than its 54th term. Understood? So an is equals to 132 plus a plus 53d. Here you can say that a is equals to 3 and d is equals to 15 minus 3 is 12. So an is equals to 132 plus a is 3 plus 53 into d is 12. So 132 plus 3 plus 636. So 132 plus 639, which is 771. So value of an is 771. The question is asking which term is 771. So we got an. हमने an तो निकाल लिया. अब कह रहा है which term is 771 means we need to find n. क्या? n. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and the value of an is 771 and the value of a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 12. Okay, so 771 minus 3 over 12 is equals to n minus 1. So 7 this one is 768 over 12 is equals to n minus 1. So 12 6 are 72, 64 plus 1 equals to n, which is n equals to 65. Means 65th term of AP is this. अच्छा, मैं यहाँ पर एक चीज बताता हूँ, आप यहाँ पर समझना। व्हाट आई एम सेइंग हियर, आई एम सेइंग दैट कि द कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ एनी टर्म इज सेम। एनी टर्म, अगर मैं 10 टर्म्स का कॉमन डिफरेंस अगर बोलूं तो 100 टर्म का कॉमन डिफरेंस दैट विल बी द सेम। 1000 terms the common difference will be same. So common difference is same when the terms are in AP. But how to solve it? See, this is A100 is equals to A1 plus. So let's first do it. Let the first term of AP is A1, E2 and the common difference is D. Let AP is A1 comma A2 and common difference D is equals to D. So A100 is A1 plus 100 minus 1 into D, right? So A100 is equals to A1 plus 99D, 99D. Now A1000 is equals to A1 plus 999D, okay? So from first and second, what we will get difference of their, this is first and this is second. Now what we will get the difference of these two terms, that 100 term of this AP is 100, therefore A1 plus 99D, okay, and E2 plus 99D is equals to 100. A1 minus A2 is equals to 100. Okay, this is equation number 3. In the same way, what we are doing, A1 plus 999D and minus A2 plus 999D is equals to that A1 minus A2, right? So this one is A1 minus A2. So this one is again A1 minus A2. Understood what I'm saying? So A1 minus A2 is 100 and again A1 minus A2 is 100. Okay. So A1 minus A2 is 100. We will put here 100. So from 3 and 4, both are equal. Both are equal. Both are equal. Therefore, the common difference will be the difference between 100 term is 100, then 1000 term is also 100. इसको थोड़ा सा let's simplify it. Okay, let two APs are A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3. Okay, this one. So two APs, their common difference is two APs same common difference. Same common difference means A2 minus A1 is equals to B2 minus B1. Same common difference. So the difference between their 100 term is 100. Means you can say that B100 minus A100 or A100 minus B100 is equals to 100. Clear? So अब आप इसका जो A100 minus B100 is 100 है. Now thousands term, what is the difference between their thousands term? So the thousands term का डिफरेंस अगर मैं निकालता हूं, A1000 minus B1000 is equals to what? Their common difference are same, so we can write B2 minus B1 or A2 minus A1. or you can write A100 minus B100, which is 100. Finish. Do question number 13. How many 3-digit number which are divisible by 7? 3-digit number. So 3-digit started from कहाँ से? 3-digit number is 100 से लेकर के this one is 999. So first number which is divisible by 7 after 100. So how do you know? Let's understand how we will find A and D here. When we divide 100 by 7, okay, so 7 1 ja 7, 3 0. 7 in the table of 7 will get, after 30 it will be 35. So 7 5 ja 35. So अगर यहाँ पे 5 होता तो ये पूरा पूरा divisible हो जाता, right? It means that this is 105 which is divisible by 7. So A is equals to 105. And divisible by 7 means the gap is 7, common difference is 7, so D is 7. Now what is AN? Is 999 is divisible by 7? Let's see. 7 1 ja 7, 2 9 4 ja 28, 1 9. No, it is not divisible. It means that the number should be less than 999. So 7 2 ja 14. So if this is 4, so this will be also 4, then it is divisible. 7 2 ja 14 means 994 is divisible by 7. So N will get, N we have A, we have D, we have, now put the formula. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 994 is equals to 105 plus N minus 1 into D is 7. So this is 994 minus 105 upon 7 is equals to N minus 1. So this one is, ना हो जाएगा, this one is 9 8 and 789, 889, 889 over 7 is equals to N minus 1. So this will be 127 is equals to N minus 1. So 127 plus 1 equals to N, which is 128. 128 term नहीं, 128. How many multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 का मतलब हो गया 4 8 12 16. Okay, this one. So after 10 the first multiple of 4 is 12, means यहाँ से शुरू हो जाएगा 12 16, okay, 20 dot dot dot. Now 250, see, is 250 divisible by 4? So 4 6 are 24, 10. No, it is not divisible. So ये कब जाता? अगर ये 8 होता तो चला जाता, मतलब कि 4 2 जा 8, 2 माइनस अगर मैं कर दूं 248 तो ये पूरा पूरा चला जाएगा. So this will be 240. Okay, so this is 248, right? So A is equals to 12, D is equals to 4, An is equals to 248. N का value we need to find out. So An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is 248 is equals to 12 plus N minus 1 into D is 4. So 248 minus 12 upon 4 is equals to N minus 1. So 236 upon 4 plus 1 equals to N. So 236 is divisible by 4. Is it? Yes, 59. So 59 plus 1 equals to N, that is N is equals to 60. Okay, N is equals to 6. For what value of N? Nth term of 2 APs. Very important question, एग्जाम में बहुत बारी आता है. Nth term of 2 APs means AN1 is equals to AN 2, दोनों का nth टर्म इक्वल है, right? So here there are two APs. Here AP is the first one, which is 63 comma 65 67 dot dot dot, and this one is 3 10 17. Okay, so here an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 63 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So 63 plus 2n minus 2, so 61 plus 2n. Here an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, so this one is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, so 3 plus 7n minus 7, so this is 7n minus 4. Now according to question, this is equal to this, so 61 plus 2n is equals to 7n minus 4. So 61 plus 4 equals to 7n minus 2n. So 65 is equals to 5n, and n is equals to 65 by 5, which is 13. So n ka value is 13. Next question. Determine AP whose third term is 16. A3 is equals to 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term. A3 means A plus 2D equals to 16. Correct. Now this is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now seventh term exceeds the fifth term. A7 minus A5 is equals to 12, which means A plus 6D minus A plus 4D equals to 12. So A plus 6D minus A minus 4D equals to 12. So 2D equals to 12 and D is equals to 6. So when D is equals to 6, according to equation 1, putting D is equals to 6 in equation 1. So A plus 2 into 6 equals to 16. So A is equals to 16 minus 12 equals to 4. Okay. So A is here, D is here, AP will be, AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D. So A is what? A is 4 comma 4 plus 6 is 10, and 4 plus 6 into 2, that is 16. This one is, see, this one is also important sum, examiner का सबसे favorite sum. AP 20th term from the last term. तो मैं लास्ट टर्म से ना, मैं क्वेश्चन इसको ना थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप से मैं सिखाता हूँ. मैं सिखाता हूँ जब लास्ट टर्म कह रहा है, व्हेन इट इज सेइंग लास्ट टर्म, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म. सो लेट्स get AP. This one is A. A is 253. Now D is, when we are starting from the first term, then D will be second term minus first term. Now D will be A1 minus A2. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5. And A is, A2 we have. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out 20th term. So A20 is equals to A plus 19D. When like according to an is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A20 is equals to, the value of A is 253 plus 19 into minus 5, which is 253 plus minus 95. So 253 minus 95 is equals to 158. Clear hai? Let's do another one. The sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP. Again ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. A4 plus A8 is equals to 24, means A plus 3D plus A plus 7D equals to 24. Okay. means 2a plus 10d. 2a plus 10d equals to 24. सबको 2 से डिवाइड करो तो a plus 5d equals to 12. This is equation number 1. Now the sum of the 6th and 10th term. ठीक है, let's make a line here and let's make a line here also. So we can do separately and that will be not clumsy. So a plus 5d. Now the sum of 6th, a6 plus a10 is equals to 44. So a plus 5d plus a plus 9d equals to 44. So this is 2a plus 14d equals to 44. सबको 2 से डिवाइड करो. a plus 7d equals to 22. So from first and second, इससे और इससे दोनों को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. लेट्स सॉल्व. तो a plus 5d equals to 12 and a plus 7d equals to 22. सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, ये माइनस हो जाएगा. माइनस 2d equals to minus 10. Therefore d equals to 5. So d is 5 means a is equals to यहाँ पर a plus 5 into 5 is equals to 12. So a plus 25 equals to 12. Therefore a equals to 12 minus 25. So a is equals to minus 13. So a is equals to minus 13 and d is equals to 5. So AP is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d. Okay. So a is negative 13 comma, okay, and this one add will be negative 8, negative 3. This is your answer. Subha Rao started 1995. Actual salary is, this one is rupees. Okay, this one is rupees. This is also rupees. Okay, so this one what Subha Rao का डेटा क्या है? Let's do. He started from 5,000. So A is equals to 5,000. Okay. Increment is 200 means D is equals to 200 and AN is equals to 7,000. अब करा कितने साल में 7,000 हुआ. So N is equals to question mark. So again AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equals to 7,000 is equals to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D is 200. So 7,000 minus 5,000 over 200 is equals to N minus 1. So 2,000 upon 200 will be 20 plus 1 equals to N, that is 21. N का वैल्यू 21. 21 ना, sorry 10. This one is, so this is 2000 divided by 200 is 10 plus 1 equals to N. So N equals to 11. 11th year. 20th. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. So A is equals to 5 and increased. D is equals to 1.75 and AN is equals to 20.75. N का वैल्यू आपको निकालना है. वेरी इजी. सेम चीज AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is 20.75 is equals to 5 plus N minus 1 times D is 1.75, right? So 20.75 minus 5 over 1.75 is equals to N minus 1. So this is 15.75 upon 1.75 is equals to N minus 1. Okay, so 15.75 is divided by 1.75 will give you 9. 9 is equals to N minus 1. So N is equals to 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. So Now 5.2 is over. 5.2 is over, and as a homework you please do 5.2 by yourself, by your own self, and let's see how much you understand. If you don't able to solve all questions by yourself, then again see this video and try to solve again. So let's try to do your muscle memory uh, of mathematics. Okay, when you will get the mathematics into the muscle memory, then definitely I'm telling you, definitely you will get into it and you will love mathematics. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, tata, god bless you.